In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a DCF file. DCF file is used in version 7.0, and it basically replaces the key file that was used in SiteAudit version 6.8 and older. So first thing we're going to do is start the control panel, and it's going to ask me to log in with my account. And enter the password. And that's going to open the control panel. Now, you create the DCF file from this administration mode and DCF editor. And basically, this gives me access to all the customers that I have. And if I want to maybe run a scheduled report for a customer, or look at these customers in Analyzer, send data to ServiceNow, use the Notifier or anything like that, I'm going to need a DCF file. And I can pick which particular customer that I want to include. Like, let's say I want to upload data to ServiceNow for these two customers. I can create a DCF file, and when I configure my profile for ServiceNow, instead of using a key file, I'll use this DCF file that I created. So let me just go ahead and save this. I'm going to put it on my desktop, and I'm just going to call it two customers and hit save. All right, so this is the file. And let me show you how to use this using the SiteAudit Analyzer. So I'm going to launch Analyzer and create a new report. And I'll go to my SiteAudit tab. And over here, I'll connect with a DCF file. And let me point to my DCF file and hit OK. And what it's doing, it's connecting to the server. And now you can see here, if I select databases, all the databases that are included in that DCF file. So now I can create reports and run reports for either one of these guys or for both of them. Okay, the same is true if I use this DCF file with ServiceNow or with Notifier or anything. I can get information for all the customers that are in that DCF file. So what if we want to create a DCF file for all my customers? Okay, let's do that. Let's come up here and create a DCF file, and I'm going to say select all customers. Now when I do this, if I get a new customer in the future, I don't have to make any changes. It's automatically going to be added to my list of customers. So this is probably the way most people will use a DCF file, unless there's some reason why you don't want a specific customer. Like, let's say that you're uploading data to ServiceNow and there's some customers that you don't want data for or something, then you can create one for those specifically that you do want to upload data for. But in this case, let's just select all customers. We'll save this. I'm going to call it all. And hit save. And let me close this and go back over to and connect with my new DCF file. Call it all. Okay. And now I have access to all my customers. Okay. Now, one important thing to note is that unlike a key file that was used in version 6.8, these DCF files can only be used on the machine where they were created. So you can't take these DCF files and move them or share them with anyone else to run on a separate machine. They have to be run only on this machine. So that's pretty much it for DCF files. If you have any questions, as always, contact support@netaphor.com and we'll be happy to help.